Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install Proton VPN on your PC or laptop step by step. If you're looking for a secure, free, and privacy-focused VPN that hides your location while browsing, Proton VPN is a fantastic choice. So stay with me till the end to make sure you set it up perfectly. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser. It could be Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. And go to protonvpn.com. Once the site loads, click on the button that says Get Proton VPN. You'll now see several plans on your screen. Don't worry, you don't need to pay anything. Just click on Continue with Free. This will give you access to the free version, which is more than enough for basic browsing protection. Next, Proton VPN will ask you to create an account. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and hit sign up. After you've confirmed your registration, click on Download and choose Download for Windows. Now, you'll notice two download options, x64 and x86. Most modern computers use x64, so go ahead and select that one unless your system is different. Once the file is downloaded, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the Proton VPN setup file. A Windows security prompt might appear. Just click Yes to continue. Choose your preferred setup language. Hit Next and follow the on-screen instructions. If you only want the VPN app, make sure to unselect any extra software that appears during installation. After setup completes, open the Proton VPN app, sign in with your new account, and click Get Started. Finally, you can select a server location and press Connect, and that's it. You're now safely browsing with Proton VPN, protecting your connection and hiding your IP address. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to download and install Proton VPN on your PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who care about online privacy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay safe and stay private online.